What is up, guys? In today's video we're gonna be going to Daniel's house to install some carbon fiber. Yeah, I've been having the pieces for a while. I couldn't get it done last time because we had like an event going on, so we couldn't really do it. I'm just coming back from school, but I'm actually just looking forward to getting these pieces on. I have a funny story for you guys though. So actually, as I was driving yesterday or the day before, one of my grills fell off. So I'm missing one carbon fiber grill, and I contacted Auto Technic because that's where I got it from, and asked them if I could buy one piece, but they said that they don't have like individually, so I have to get a whole nother pair. So I'll be getting the other side of the a brand new set of carbon fiber grills and tomorrow, because the car just does not look right with one grill just there. But I'm pretty excited to put the carbon fiber pieces, because I've been having these for a while, and you know, I don't look. You can see the splitter right there. I just don't like holding onto the parts because I'm just anxious to get them on. You guys can see I'm really low on gas too, so hopefully I make it there and I don't end up on the streets. Also, I really do like this GoPro. The wide angle on this is beautiful. It just, like, you know, I really love it, and I'm so happy because I was editing the past video before this one that I'm uploading, and the quality is really good, and you know, it was crisp and smooth, and you know, the GoPro is like very versatile and ergonomic. Muy ergonomic. So I'm like really excited to be filming on the GoPro, because here, look, you guys can see everything on my point of view. Malcolm is gonna be pulling up right now too, so we'll see him there. We're almost there. Look at this Hondita vibes. Not judging though, guys, not judging. I actually like Hondas, but not all. I don't judge. We're here. Malcolm's there. Look, let's see if he sees my missing girl. It's pretty bad though. It's really bad, guys. I'm pretty upset. Okay, guys, she is beautiful. As I was saying, what is he doing? He said, oh yeah. Look, guys, what is this? It fell off literally yesterday, and I contacted Auto Technic to see if they have like spares just in like one piece, but they said they don't. They have it for this side, but I have to get another brand new pair of it all over again, because that's it. Yeah. So tomorrow I'm picking up another grill pair, and well, my car's dirty, guys. Yeah, look at these. I love these accents a lot. And we're gonna have the splitters on, and hopefully that trim with the Alcantara, the shifter, like the boot. Oh, guys, I don't know if I told you, but you can see the caliper brakes. I got them painted. I got it for free, guys, so I was like, damn, I cannot say no to. They came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Wow, this is a definition of a wow. Wow. First ever F82 with the G82 wing. OEM plus. Don't mind Reese. Kevin pulled up to get his work on house. He's almost touching. There you guys, look at that.
But
We have the splitters right here that we're gonna install.
Maybe the color of the wheels makes it look even smaller.
The thing about it looks like
And we have the auto technic
Yeah.
shifters, the boot.
Now, if you had bags and you do all that, I'd be like,
It looks different.
We have the shifters to complete the interior.
Yeah.
So the interior is gonna be looking really, really nice.
yeah.
Interior is gonna be finished. You guys can see all this, but interior is done. You can see, guys, we have here we took out the DCT, the shift knob and the boot. And here we have the carbon fiber.
Looks way better than
Aluminum.
yeah. Well, it's yeah, aluminum wannabe. But this is way better.
As you guys can see, we have full carbon trim. I'm missing the GTS trim. That was nice though. After that, it's just like it's done.
Yeah, that's all you need, really.
Yeah, the GTS trim. It's for the looks.
For the looks, okay.
The differences in the paddles.
Actually, they're lighter. Give them one to feel.
They are lighter?
Yeah.
We have the steering wheel.
This
We did install the splitters already, so as you can see, it already looks. It looks completely different. We already have the DCT shift knob, and here's it, the cock spring. We're almost done though. Once the paddles are there, it's even nicer. Carbon paddle shifters have been installed. So literally everything on this car is carbon. And thanks to Daniel. Thank you, Daniel.
Oh, you're welcome. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe to Diego's channel.
And don't forget,
my channel too.
and to his channel too. Look, we're out here just watching some Doug DeMuro.
Nothing but cars.
But yeah. Anyways, guys, I'll be heading home soon. So yeah, I'll probably take some pictures right now so we can talk about the Beamer Valley. But other than that, just stay updated, guys. And
Being like that guy from the pizza, the one bite.
the splitters are on.
thinking
I'm
like
picking
doing
this
the
up
soccer
tomorrow.
reviews,
We're
but-
still missing the grill. But carbon's everywhere. Well, that's pretty much it for today. Beamer Valley is March 4, guys. Beamer Valley, March 4. Don't forget. I'll be posting the flyers very soon. If not in this video, the flyers will be up already. But March 4, Beamer Valley is gonna be live, and I definitely want to see you guys there. So just stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and yeah, I really appreciate it, guys. So take care.